With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In the adjacent figure, a uniform cube of mass m, length L, is laying at rest on a rough horizontal surface. A small ball of mass m hit the cube, its top edge, with the velocity v0 and stick to it. The friction is so large so that the cube can rotate about the edge O without sliding. Calculate the minimum value of v0 so that the cube will topple. Ignore any loss due to the friction at O. So if you see, if it will topple about this point O, right? And it is said that this m mass stick to this cube, right? So basically, it will be a pure rotation about point O after the collision. Alright. So if you see, let us find out the moment of inertia. So if you see, this length is L. So this is a cube, right? So this will be cosine of this L 45. I will write down. This is 45, right? Half. And this length will be 2L cos 45. So if you see, this is L by root 2 and this is L root 2. Right? So you can get the moment of inertia of the system. So if I write down the moment of inertia of the cube, so we will use the parallel axis theorem. So about an axis passing through the center plus mass times of distance of the this axis O, axis passing through O from the center of mass passing axis. So I will write down, this is m L square by 6 plus m L by root 2 square, so it is this. So this particle is at a distance of L root 2. So if I write down the moment of inertia of the particle, it is simply, if you see, the mass is small m given in the question, right? So the particle moment of inertia is simply mr square. So it is root 2. So root 2L, it is root 2L square, it is 2L square, right? So just add them. So if you see, this is 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6, it is 4 by 6. And this is 12 by 6. So add them, you will get the net moment of inertia as, if you add them, it will be 8 by 3. 16 by 6, it is 8 by 3. So basically, this after the collision, this system should rotate in so that it could reach a position, this diagonal could reach a position in vertical direction. If it will be able to reach this position, then it will complete the vertical circle. If you see here, the center of mass of them was at a distance of, if you see, this distance was L by 2 and this distance was L. So the center of mass was at a distance of this L by 4 from here. So that is 3L by 4 from here. And finally, if you see, when it will be rotated in the vertical direction, so then the center of mass of them will be at this position. And again, if you see here, it will be at, if you see here, this distance is, you can get, if you see, this distance is L by 4, 3 by 4L. So this distance will be root 2 times of that. So if I conserve the mechanical energy, initial potential, initial kinetic is equals to final potential plus final kinetic. Since we are giving just enough kinetic energy, so final kinetic energy will be 0. Initial kinetic energy, I will write down half I omega square, and final potential energy, so the mass is 2m, right, 2 mg, And as we have seen, it traveled 3L by 4. Put the value of root 2 minus 1 as 0.4 and put the value of V0 as 3 V0 by put the value of omega as 3 V0 by 8L. So if you see, this M and L will get cancelled out, and this will get cancelled out by 4, and this will get cancelled out. You will write down 2. So if you see, we are left with 4L by 3. So 3L by 4 into 3G by 2.4, right? So if you see here, this L is given in the question, it is 2, put it 2 here, and this is 0.1, and 0.1 into 10, it is 1. So this is 3 by 2 basically. So I will write down 3 by 2, 3 by 2 square basically, right? So put the value of L as 2, so this will get cancelled out, and you will write down V0 is equals to 8 meter per second, and this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.